Are you looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a downstairs WC in a tucked away location? And are you curious about what 5 things I love about this home and why you might love it too? Let's head in and we'll take a look at number 1. So number 1 is the fact you can eat in the kitchen, which is really quite handy. So I think you could actually fit a larger table than the one that's already there. And over here, there is your gas hob. And number 2, along with the downstairs WC, you've got the family bathroom and the ensuite as well. Number 3 is the parking. You've got one outside the front of the property, one extra potential here, and then one just across the way in this very quiet cul-de-sac location. Number 4 is the location. You've got Highwood Nature Reserve within a 10-minute walk. 20 minutes away on foot you are at Earley Station, and then you've got easy connectivity to Woodley, Sonning and Reading, and the co-op is a 10-minute walk away for your daily essentials. I want to come back to the cul-de-sac location. This is my number 5 because it's super safe for children and a lot quieter. So if you like what you see, do get in touch with the team quickly. We can't wait to meet you here at Maze Close. Take care.